clearly, it was a case that was bound to be dismissed. And I told my client after taking the first witness and after the cross-examination, it became crystal clear. Honorable Attorney General reviewed the file and came to the conclusion that this matter would have to be withdrawn from the court. For me, I think it's commendable, you know. But my client will still have to decide. My clients will still have to decide what to do in the matter. Having been kept away from his family for 5 years on a frivolous charge, more so that he was still in detention. He was in custody on the day of the protest, 5th of August, 2019. Those who are accused of stealing over 100 billion are given bail and allowed to travel out of the country. But this gentleman has been kept away for 5 years from his family. Initially, his movement was restricted to Abuja, and we had to rush to the Court of Appeal to have those conditions lifted. Now that he's a free man, happily, once the passport is made available, he can rejoin his family. Thank you very much.
I know for a fact that they didn't do this on their own volition. They had to clear one shame, but you know they go from shame to shame. They might do another stupid thing, but it doesn't matter now because the revolution is here. This system is against those of us who refuse to partake in the looting of the Commonwealth, whereas they pamper the criminals. The former AGF, Malami, has not even been invited for questioning, in spite of public information about his atrocities against the people of this country. The former president, Buhari, has been allowed to go back to his couch. In fact, he would have been in Niger Republic today, but for the fact that their friends lost out to a coup plot there. That was his plan, to run away to Niger. The former Accountant General of the Federation, who stole 109 billion naira, is walking around with the chieftaincy title. That tells you the kind of country we are in. And this is the country we must fix. Today, the federal government ended a shame it started in 2019, 5 years ago, when they brought me to this court, surrounded by several of their officers, and also driving me all around Abuja as if the court is far from their office. And I told them on our way here that this was going to end up in disgrace. And today, I have been vindicated. But I don't want us to jubilate yet, because the struggle ahead is even more enormous than the one. Yes. You see that vehicle over there? That's for prisoners. We used to be in those vehicles, but they are about to be entering those vehicles very soon. The people who ruined Nigeria. So thank you very much. Thank you, Deji. You've been in court every day. I met Deji in this court. He was a bachelor and he became married. He became married during this case. And all of our colleagues, members, and those who are here and those who cannot be here, thank you so much, everyone. Revolution now! Revolution aluta continua victory.
And that is what Omoyele Sowore represents. You know, I am tired of preaching to Nigerians. I believe that Tinubu is going to ensure that Nigerians learn a lesson. A lesson that they cannot forget in a hurry. Let me again use this opportunity in closing to congratulate my Egbon, Omoyele Sowore, for persevering, for standing strong, for refusing to be broken by this criminal ruling elite that we have in the country. The truth of the matter is that we need more of the Omoyele Sowores in this country.
Bismillah wallahu ma'a sabirin. for every country, for every nation, for every historical movement. Little people make changes. That is why I've always been following our leader here. That is why I've always been available. There is no any power given freely. We have to take it back. We have to take it back.
We want to do something before we go. Revolution. All oppressors can go run away. When people they go back, swear. Who is a tyrant? Who is a tyrant? Tinubu is a forger, swear. Tinubu is a forger, swear. Who is a loser? Tinubu is a loser, swear. You are a leader. You are a leader.